Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Pinterest account to gain credibility and access additional features, follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Pinterest website or download the Pinterest app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide your age when prompted. Step 3. After completing the registration, Pinterest will send a verification email to the address you provided during sign-up. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Pinterest. The subject line typically reads, "Confirm your Pinterest email" or "Verify your email address." Step 5. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to Pinterest and automatically verify your email address. Step 6. Once your email is verified, you can access all basic Pinterest features. For website verification as a business or content creator, navigate to Settings. Step 7. Under Account Settings, look for the Website Verification option. Enter your website URL if you have one. Step 8. Follow Pinterest's instructions to verify your website by adding a meta tag to your site's HTML or uploading an HTML file to your server. Step 9. For business account verification, ensure your profile is set to a business account type and complete all business profile information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.